Let's see how the smart liftgate works on the 25 Santa Fe Calligraphy. The way the smart liftgate opens is have the key in your person, approach the trunk of the vehicle, and just wait for it to beep. And voila, it opens. To set up your smart liftgate, swipe left, you go to setup, go to vehicle, and we go to door. And you're actually gonna scroll down until you see smart liftgate. It's off right now, so we're gonna turn this on. And then now you'll be able to use your smart liftgate. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, comment down below. Thank you.